Good morning. Good morning. I hope that everyone is doing well. I decided to put 3 braids in my hair in the front because I have an idea what I'm going to do with my hair today. If you remember in a previous video, I had a lock that I found that was compromised right in the front. It is still hanging in there. I realized that it may have been from the tension that I placed on my hair as I was braiding it back during a style. So watch the amount of tension that you put on your locks. In order to thank you, subscribers. I would never forget you. Never would. Never would. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos. And thank you for commenting and sharing my videos. I want you to continue to do that because I really appreciate it. I especially like the comments and the interaction that goes on with you. And if you are watching this video right now and you have not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. Now, because that lock was compromised, I have to intentionally think about what I'm doing to my hair because I want to maintain healthy locks. So I've taken this portion of my hair because I have a style in mind. I do want to wear a ponytail today. I am going to use this for my ponytail. I realize that there's a lot of hair in the back of my head. I am not going to really look to do a slick ponytail, but anyway, let's get into how I am going to style this, and you know why I am doing what I'm doing, because I am trying to make sure that I don't put a lot of tension on the smaller locks. I'm going to just mist my hair just a little bit, and this is just water. This is just to smooth it a little bit. This is going to stay up front. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to turn around so you can see how I'm going to make this ponytail. And I'm just tucking these into the ponytail holder right now. And I did that just to reduce any tension that I might feel in my hair. Feels loose. It just feels really good. One more thing. And now, my 360. Have a great day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's so good. God is so good to me. I just can't tell it all. Have a great day. I am going to do one additional step just to smooth the grays down a little bit. Spray it a little bit more.